Seen the yellow lights go down the Mississippi.
Hello all, and welcome back to Follow Our Journey. On the last episode we went up to Großglockner and now it was time to head to Italy. Our plan was to go to Lido di Jesolo, which is a really nice beach resort by the Adriatic Sea. It is also near to Venice and we were thinking of staying 2 or 3 nights there to have some relaxing time off the bike. But first, we still had few hours in the beautiful mountain roads left for the day.
And I'm far, far away, with my head up in the clouds. And I'm far, far away, with my feet down in the crowds. Let it loose around.
Cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, babe. Remember the day I set you free, I told you you could always count on me, darling.
From that day on, I made a vow, I'll be there when you want me, some way, somehow.
Cause baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, babe.
Oh no, darling,
No.
Now we started climb up to reach the border of Austria and Italy, which was on top of a mountain. The pass is called Plöcken Pass in the Alps, and it's 1357 meters high. It was just awesome to ride in warm and sunny weather and admiring the fantastic views. We really enjoyed our climb up in the mountains.
Jes, nyt ollaan Jesolossa, Lido di Jesolossa Italiassa. Vedettiin vähän harhaan aamulla, tuli semmonen muutaman tunnin ekstra keikaisu, kun etsittiin cross-glockneria, eli tavallaan korkeinta huippua. Käytiin vähän toisessa paikkaa eka ja sitten mentiin sinne ja sitten lähdettiin ylittää Alppeja tänne Italiaan ja oli ehkä niin kuin huikein ylitys, mitä ollaan nähty, niin se viimeisin. Ja sitten vähän motoria ja nyt ollaan täällä. Täällä on plus 27 8 illalla ja täällä on kauheasti ihmisiä ja kivoja hotelleja ja tämmönen kävelykatu. Ja nyt on kaikki hyvin. Täällä ollaan nyt ainakin 2 yötä, toivottavasti 3. yö myöskin, jos hotellista vaan vapautuu tila.
Ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's some water.
And the second day off we spent in Venice. It is one of my favorite cities in the world and I wanted to show it to Mikko as well. We got there by Vaporetto, a water bus, and spent the day walking around, met a friend of mine and just enjoyed the atmosphere. Venice is much better than its reputation, I would say. It truly is a unique city which I would recommend to anyone.
When the stars make you drool just like a pasta fazool, that's amore. When you dance down the street with a cloud at your feet, you're in love. When you walk in a dream, but you know you're not dreaming, signore. Scusa me, but you see back in old Napoli.